Did you know your Samsung phone has a hidden feature that lets you hide any app without installing another app? If you have private apps like banking, photos, or social media, this trick can keep them away from other people. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step method to hide apps on any Samsung Galaxy device. This works on Samsung One UI phones like Galaxy S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra, A series, and many more. First, open Settings on your Samsung phone. Now scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Here you will find an option called Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Tap on it. Now you will see a list of all installed apps. Simply select the apps you want to hide. For example, select Instagram, WhatsApp, or any private app. After selecting, tap Done. Now go back to your home screen and open the app drawer. You will notice those apps are completely hidden. To bring them back, go to the same setting again, unselect the apps, and tap Done. This is the easiest way to hide apps on Samsung without using any third-party application. If this Samsung tip helped you, subscribe for more Android tips and hidden features.